Well, the products are when I first started, a lot of them were really disgusting,
Mm.
especially the beverages, because
Okay.
we didn't have the nano emulsions, so you'd have like this,
Right. Okay. Of course. Oh, so I
you
guess it was
know,
like a layer of oil then on top of them sometimes. Then is that? Oh
oh,
no.
sludge.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh
Yes.
gosh.
And so you're almost holding your nose while you're drinking it. And, you think you get this lovely cocoa packet, you put it in your cup, and you're like, this is disgusting. Also, the fact with edibles that they're also better emulsified now. So you don't have one little brownie that's got a very strong corner and the rest of it doesn't feel like anything. We have more conversations about emerging cannabinoids. Like one of my favorite cannabinoids these days is CBG. It's non euphoric. It's really great for helping with anxiety. CBD can be good for that, but for some of us, it can, even though it doesn't get us high, it can make you feel a little bit forgetful
Mhm.
sometimes, where CBG doesn't do that. CBD also, though, great for nausea, isn't so great for appetite. It behaves as an anorectic, and CBG is great for appetite and anxiety and nausea. So, there's like different things. And also like THCV. I love that for something more uplifting and for creativity. Like there are so many different things. Like, we talk a lot about terpenes, but I think what we really need to be doing is having the conversation about the synergy between terpenes and cannabinoids, and then just the modes of use. Like we see more nanoemulsions, so we have faster times for feeling the effects of products, which is makes it much more efficient. And that's lovely because you're using less product to get the same effects.
Mm.
You're getting effects faster. Um, these are all really wonderful things.